Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with my items from Bima's sale and the flea market sale from Jennifer. And she stuck a few things in here for the kids. So we're going to get started. And, oh, are these cool? I will be doing a kit. She told me about these. And I'm like, oh my God, go grab them. They're there. And they were still there when she went back. So she picked these up for me. And I will be doing a kit for Mixed Media Monday. Aren't these cool? All of them are so cool. Awesome. Those are awesome. So you will see a kit in the future. Like that. Those are so cool. And a few more of them. Let's see. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light. And it's a little notepad. I remember buying one, but I don't remember, I just remember picking one up. And then there's another violin. Oh my God, didn't we have so much fun? Another violin. I'll just grab it out of the box. Bought some of these stickers that for the balloons that were little. I didn't come in at my Dollar Tree. Oh, what's that piece thing? Oh. Okay, she sent Dragon, Coda Dragon, and my granddaughter Allie, and I asked Bima if she had any more. So she sent me 2 more dragons. Awesome. Allie's gonna be so happy, and of course she's decided to send Riley one so that they all have a dragon. So Allie's gonna be so happy. Alright. Oh, some wood pieces she picked up for me. What is this? Everything is beautiful. I think my buttons are open. This is so pretty. Look at this. Everything is beautiful. It's a peacock. Oh, I love that. I'll have to find room to hang that in my craft space. Here I thought people did me a piece of art. And some clusters. All right, here we go. Here's this one. Always. Okay. And then, oh, she sent this for Allie. It's a friendship bracelet kit. She thought she might be into that. So, then, okay, I'm going to stick this button over here. Sabrina from Miss Match Crafter purchased this for me. We both went me, and she said both, and she gave me one. Oh, these are so cool. They are Alice in Wonderland cards. And there's the bunny, and it says, the White Rabbit. Carol himself wrote was meant to stand in contrast to Alice. He is elderly, timid, feeble, nervously shilly-shally. Sir John Hammond, 1820-19 firm. A well-known cartoonist in the late 19th century penned the original illustration. There's the rabbit. Wow, these are so cool. The Mad Hatter. I love the Mad Hatter. The Mad Hatter. Won't read it, but it tells you all about the Mad Hatter. It tells you about the Queen. It tells you about Alice. Then it has the envelopes, which is so cool. And you get stickers. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'll deal with that later. Then she had thank you grams. I've got 2 packets of them. And some blue tickets. Raffle tickets, the blue ones. This is going to be cool. I got that shape, the album. And I'll leave another shape. And then there's that shape as well. That was cool. Got more widow shapes. Okay, we'll do that here in a second. And then she found this. I picked this up from her. The little extra green cutting mat from the Dollar Tree. And then she found the metal truck. Or I should say, I think her granddaughter found the metal truck. So that was pretty awesome. Got some more shapes. Oh. And the truck. Metal. So cool. And I bought, let's put that here. Okay. Yeah, the button's open. Oh, she sent me this because she figured I'd come up with something. And I bought the sticker maker. I gotta get a container. Oh, sniffles. Sniffles, sniffles, sniffles. Sniffles, sniffles, sniffles. Okay, we're good. Got some more keys. Really basic, big chips. Oh, they look like canvas. Oh, and I got these from her. They're the keys. I thought they were kind of cool. See, candies. And I did run it in. Oh, she got this aroma diffuser. That's a little joke. And then I got this. It is silver stamp. And then I got a blank stamp. Okay. Alright, that is all from Bima's sale. Okay. The stuff she picked up from me from the Dollar Tree. Because you're not going to see her be like, I didn't see those in your stuff. She knew I was looking for the metal pieces, the cutting mat, so some of the keys. So she grabbed them for me. Now, there was Jennifer, and she had items in there too that I picked up from Jennifer. And here are the buttons. I better stop buying buttons. There's the buttons. The plastic bag opener all in the bottom of the box. So got that. Then I bought this punch that makes bows from Jennifer. And this stamp set. That's the clock. I thought it was so cool. I was so happy to get that. I just was looking for one with a big clock face. So that was a good one. Then she had like little grab bags. So I bought this one because it was kind of Frozen related. So we got some jams. We got Olaf. We got Frozen characters, Anna, whatever the hell their name is. Some Christmas ones I'll put away. Christmas. Some kitty ones. This one, Valentine's Day. And then some labels. That's that one. I think I only bought that because I wanted the Frozen. And bonus for sale sticker. Then there was this one. Oh, more buttons. Been finding buttons for a week now. So, we got some passport, little metal pieces. That was cool. and ABCs in the middle in this. That's cool. Embellishment. Embellish the metal trinkets with these. So I could do this. Oh, I was like wondering, can you get two different styles of letters? So you have like the typewriter type, I call it. And then you got the fancy. I was wondering why that looks like that. And then we got this stamp set. I thought it was so cool because I love the house. The house and the tree and the little words. And we have some ribbon. Now this is interesting. It's like, oh, it's chipboard pieces. Okay. It's chipboard pieces. Okay, I got it. That's cool. I'd like to know where this is, because that's kind of cool. And that's in there as well. And, okay, we're going to put this up. It's back in the bag for now. That'd be a cool stamp if that was a stamp somewhere. Okay. And a bag full of my doodle. Let's see. Ooh. Looks like a lot of birds. Yep. Bird and ephemera. A lot of birds. That's cool, though. I'll stick them in with Tim Holtz. And maybe Tim Holtz for all I know. Look at all the birds. The birds, the birds, the word. So that's kind of cool. That was a good little bag. So this is my sale. Or not my sale. Items from 2 sales. Bima sale, plus some items she told me about that she found for me. And Jennifer. So I will have Bima's channel linked in the description box below because she has her sales every 3rd Friday, and then the flea market sale every 3rd Saturday. And you find some good deals, as you can see. And look in the near future for a kit with the violin. And when I mean kit, I'm going to send pretty much everything except probably the paint to do this. And I'm going to come up with a kit. These are so cool. So cool. So, look forward to that in the future. And now I'm going to separate buttons. I got to quit buying. There's some things I've come to realize in the last week that I've been organizing that I'm going to stop buying. Buttons are one of them. Tickets are another. Yeah. So, and I can never say no to a cool stamp, so, you know, but, yeah, there are some things that I just don't need. But, you know, it's hard to pass up a good deal, isn't it? Because you always think, oh, yeah, I'll use that. I'll use that. So, we always tend to buy. But I have decided there's 2 things I'm going to stop buying, and that's raffle tickets, ephemera, like the birds kind of, don't need any of that, and buttons. And but everything in between, who knows. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.